Good morning. My go-to cordless screwdriver is this Hitachi. I have a lot of tools around my workbench, but I just don't have a good place to set that. So last night I spent a few minutes in Fusion 360 and just designed up a very basic holder for it. It's roughly 100 millimeters tall. The cutout at the bottom matches the locking collar, and don't know if you can see down inside there, but this hole down inside is actually tapered so that it tries to self-center. I ended up having to make this diameter bigger than I really wanted to because this screwdriver has a built-in flashlight, which is handy, but it sticks out, so I couldn't make it a tighter fit. But essentially you just drop the tool in and it sits in place. Anytime you need it, you can just pull it out. So I put 4 mounting holes. I was considering mounting this on the wall, but I think what I'm going to do is mount it to the front of my workbench, which has got a I think it's a 6 or 8 inch piece of wood on the front, and this will go on there just fine. I think I'll mount it right there. That way it's always handy and it's out of the way. I designed this mount for my Hitachi screwdriver, but I found it also works with my Milwaukee cordless screwdriver and even my Milwaukee M12 Mototool. So I can see I'll be needing to make a few more of these. I'll be uploading the STL file as well as a Fusion 360 file. You're welcome to modify to suit your needs. Hope you found this useful.